Hey everybody, Anton with Grim Outdoors Tip of the Week. I'm talking about chewing in the deer stand. I know some of us do it, some don't. But I got a tip this week that'll make us do it and do it right. Alright, so I got my tin of chew there. So what you want to do, because you get a buck downwind, is like, what's that smell? Is that mint? Is that apple? Is it fucking wintergreen? Whatever. Well, you can throw his nose for a little loop. You throw some dope. This is buck urine. Throw some buck urine in there. That way he gets downwind, he's like, well, that smells like a buck, or you mix it up real good. Oh, and I'll tell you what, buck gets on one of this, he's gonna be like, I'm coming into that shit, huh? You put a big dip in, alright? Now when you're sitting there, you got buck piss dripping on your chin, you're spitting buck piss, alright? Just don't swallow any of it, because, let's face it, you don't want to be swallowing buck piss. But, now you can only leave that stuff in for a little bit. But the thing is, nothing's gonna smell ya, and deer don't know what puke smell like, so. Alright, that's Anton with Grim Outdoors Tip of the Week. Good luck to everybody out there.